From ancient times to the present day, human beings have consistently demonstrated their remarkable capacity to construct structures that leave us in awe. These extraordinary achievements, known as man-made wonders, serve as a testament to the boundless ingenuity and creative spirit of civilizations throughout history. Ranging from grandiose masterpieces to marvels of engineering, this video takes a captivating journey through the top 5 man-made wonders of the world, each captivating and inspiring individual worldwide. The world's man-made wonders are not merely architectural feats, but reflections of human ambition and achievement. They symbolize the triumph of the human spirit and serve as tangible evidence of the incredible advancements made by civilizations across the ages. By exploring these remarkable structures, we can uncover the stories behind their creation and gain a deeper appreciation for the exceptional talents and unwavering determination that have shaped our world. From colossal ancient monuments to modern architectural marvels, these man-made wonders continue to leave an indelible impression, captivating the imaginations of people across cultural and geographical boundaries. 1. The Great Wall of China. It's a truly awe-inspiring structure and stands as an enduring testament to ancient engineering and architectural brilliance. Its prominence is such that it can be observed from space, capturing the imagination of people worldwide. Originally conceived as a defensive barrier against rival tribes, this remarkable wall stretches over an astounding 13,000 miles, cementing its position as one of humanity's most remarkable constructions. Erected across multiple dynasties, the Great Wall showcases the unparalleled mastery of military strategy and fortification through its ingenious combination of brickwork, stone, and earth. Today, millions of visitors flock to witness its formidable grandeur, traversing its ancient paths and immersing themselves in a vibrant tapestry of history that breathes life into the present. 2. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Built more than 4,500 years ago, the Pyramids of Giza are an enduring testament to the ingenuity of ancient Egyptian civilization. These 3 colossal structures, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, have stood the test of time, remaining among the most enigmatic and iconic landmarks on Earth. Precisely aligned with the stars and constructed using millions of limestone and granite blocks, the pyramids continue to puzzle archaeologists and visitors alike. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, in particular, is the only remaining wonder of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, further highlighting its enduring magnificence. 3. The Taj Mahal, India. An architectural masterpiece and a symbol of eternal love, the Taj Mahal is an iconic mausoleum located in Agra, India. Commissioned in the 17th century by Emperor Shah Jahan as a tribute to his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, the Taj Mahal is a breathtaking fusion of Persian, Indian, and Islamic architectural styles. The white marble exterior, adorned with intricate carvings and semi-precious stones, exudes a sense of ethereal beauty that leaves visitors spellbound. As the sun sets and casts a golden glow upon the marble, the Taj Mahal's enchanting aura is truly unmatched. 4. The Great Pyramid of Cholula, Mexico. While the pyramids of Giza bask in the spotlight, the Great Pyramid of Cholula in Mexico quietly claims the title of the world's largest pyramid by volume. Often overshadowed, this remarkable structure lies concealed beneath a vibrant green mound, serving as a testament to the awe-inspiring engineering prowess of Mesoamerica's indigenous peoples. Boasting a history that spans over 2 millennia, this pyramid stands as a remarkable testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Thanks to extensive excavations and meticulous restoration efforts, visitors now have the opportunity to marvel at its colossal size and admire the advanced architectural techniques employed by the ancient inhabitants. The Great Pyramid of Cholula, a hidden gem of history, offers a glimpse into the ingenuity and cultural legacy of Mesoamerican civilizations. As visitors explore its impressive structure, they are transported back in time, captivated by the sheer magnitude of its construction. The pyramids' unveiling through ongoing archaeological endeavors has allowed us to appreciate the ancient craftsmanship and architectural brilliance that underpin its creation. Each visit to this magnificent site is an invitation to immerse oneself in the rich tapestry of history, where the achievements of past civilizations are showcased in all their splendor. The Coliseum, Italy. An extraordinary testament to Roman engineering, the Coliseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, stands as an iconic symbol of the grandeur that defined the ancient world. Erected between 70 and 80 AD in Rome, this colossal amphitheater served as the epicenter for gladiator contests and awe-inspiring public spectacles, drawing crowds of up to 80,000 spectators. What sets the Coliseum apart is its architectural brilliance, showcased through an intricate network of ramps, lifts, and trapdoors that facilitated seamless and dramatic events within its walls. Despite enduring centuries of wear and tear, the Coliseum stands tall, a resolute testament to the magnificence of Roman architecture that continues to enthrall and beckon history enthusiasts from around the globe. Finally, the top 5 man-made wonders of the world showcased in this video represent an extraordinary blend of architectural prowess, cultural significance, and historical importance. From the sheer magnitude of the Great Wall of China to the mystical allure of the pyramids of Giza, these iconic structures continue to inspire wonder and fascination in people from all walks of life. As we stand in awe of these timeless marvels, we are reminded of the indomitable spirit of human creativity, ingenuity, and the enduring legacy of civilizations that have shaped our world. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos.